Coinbase becomes the first crypto company to enter the Fortune 500. Ooh, that sounds.
They made it.
That sounds like they're prominent. Sounds like prominence. Imagine Fortune 500. Sounds so prestigious.
Top of the line.
Sounds like a walled garden to me.
You know what? They can join us in there now.
Right.
With our new product, CNN Ultra, new company. Go ahead, play the track.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow, that was amazing.
Shout out to Pixelmite. Appreciate a super chat. Thank you so much. Coinbase, Coinbase, man. I mean, early. Get in early. Get in there early. Get big.
But they're not doing too well, are they?
Well,
I don't think
nobody's doing well. But it's just there is only one Coinbase, really.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
What do you mean in the last 5 days? Do a month though. Well, everything fell in the 54% of the month.
Yeah.
I mean, everything sucks right now. But
yeah,
Coinbase is that first big crypto stock,
exchange.
really. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess crypto.com wants to say something about it, throwing money at everybody.
Right.
I don't know why. Did they throw money at you yet, Will?
No.
Him and Zuck.
No?
No.
All right, well, let me know. Because Coinbase, they sponsored us.
They do, yeah.
Yeah, so they're winning as far as I'm concerned.
They're getting everyone.
To me, that's a hell of a deal, that stock.
Yeah.
That's my
Great one,
advice.
yeah.
Nah, but I mean, they have some certain things like being in the U.S. and having integration with things like PayPal and having insurance up to a certain amount covered. I think it's $250,000. Some things there that to give you some confidence. Maybe founders and investors that you feel comfortable with. I'm just saying.
Right.
Things like that. But whatever. Shout out to Coinbase, Fortune 500 on a come up, continuing.